Good day, my dear friends. Today is January 22, 2026, and blessed Thursday to all of you, my dear friends. In today's Gospel from the account of Mark chapter 3, verses 7 to 12, Jesus withdraws to the sea, not to escape the people, but to make space for them, revealing a God who knows both the limits of human body and the immensity of human need. Crowds from every direction, Jew and Gentile alike, drawn not by a spectacle, but by hope. Because where Jesus is, healing and mercy overflow. Even as unclean spirits recognize his true identity and fall before him, Jesus silences them, reminding us that faith is not built on noise, fear, or sensational recognition, but on humble obedience and quiet trusts. This scene shows a striking contrast. People press in seeking healing, spirits shouting, seeking control. Yet Jesus remains calm, deliberate, and compassionate, teaching us that true discipleship is not about overwhelming God with demands or using his power for display, but approaching him with reverence and patience. My dear friends, in a world that rushes, labels and shouts, Jesus invites us to step back with him, to recognize who he truly is. Not because we are forced to, but because we have encountered his mercy, and to follow him not merely for what he can do, but for who he is, the Son of God who heals, restores, and leads us gently towards wholeness. If you love and like this reflection, kindly share it with your friends, share it with your family, make the Word of God viral so that many will be blessed.